Hey everyone, I'm Cyrus Kudja, and for today's is I'm going to proceed with the return demonstration of hot application of hot and cold compress. So first, I'm going to identify my patient. Okay, ma'am, please state your name and date your birth. Date of birth.
Date Ian Santos, May 23, 2006.
Okay, can I see your ID band, ma'am? Okay, so patient's confirmed. So next is we're going to check for the doctor's order and review the list of the patient and assess for the wound site if there's any abnormalities and pain sensitivity, inspect for the color, size, temperature, odor, and any abnormalities of the wound. So next is I'm going to provide the patient some privacy, and which I already did, and do a hand hygiene and put on gloves, which I already did also. So next is we're going to gather all the equipment in the bedside, and we're going to expose the patient's wound. And so next is we're going to put a blanket, put a towel underneath the patient's arm. So here, and put the hot compress in the patient's wound. Okay. After that, recheck the hot compress every 5 minutes for at least 30 minutes and leave the hot compress for at least 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, remove the hot compress and assess for any abnormalities, any inflammation, or any signs that it is abnormal, and ask the patient if she feels any discomfort. Okay, ma'am, do you feel any discomfort? Okay, so after that, remove the towel and cover the patient's arm, and okay, that's it. Thank you for your cooperation, ma'am. So I am documenting. I will document it, and have a nice day. Okay, tas tuloy na natin. Good morning, everyone. I'm Cyrus Kudja. So next is we're going to apply the cold compress. So it's the same in the hot compress. First, I'm going to identify the patient, verify the doctor's order, check the list, inspect the wound for its size, temperature, pain sensitivity, and any abnormalities. I close the curtains and do some hand hygiene and put on gloves. So next is I'm going to expose the patient wound. So and then again, I'm going to put a towel underneath the patient arm. Okay. So next is I'm going to put the cold compress in the patient arm. So ma'am, you're going to feel a cold compress in your wound. So please tell me if you feel any discomfort, okay? Okay, after that, after I put the cold compress in the wound, check the cold compress every 5 minutes in 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes, remove the cold compress and assess for the wound if there's any abnormalities and changes in the wound in the affected skin. Okay, so ma'am, do you feel any discomfort in your wound? Okay, after that, I'm going to remove the towel underneath the hand and provide some privacies in the wound. And so we're done. So okay, ma'am, I'm going to document it, and thank you for your cooperation, and I'm going to remove my gloves now and do some hand hygiene. And thank you for your cooperation, ma'am, once again, and have a nice day.